Hello everyone, welcome back to King's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making quiche. Easy, simple, and very delicious.
Alright, so your ingredients for the quiche include ham. I buy the cooked option here from Schneider's, but any ham will do. You want your pie shells. Again, I use the pre-made ones that are frozen, extra deep, lots for in the quiche. You need half an onion. Cheese, I use old cheddar cheese. Garlic powder, 6 eggs, and a splash of milk.
Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. So we only use half the onion, and you're just going to clean it up and then dice it nice and small. Next, you're going to cut up your ham. You want to take off the packaging, make sure not to spill any of those juices, and you want to slice it. I use half of one of these pre-cooked hams per quiche, so each ham can make 2 quiches. I then put all the stacks together and cut the outside off. The outside is fine to eat. Some people love it. My family doesn't like the texture, so I cut it off. And then I just proceed to cube the rest of the ham. So doing the slices and then going back the other way to get nice small cubes for the quiche. You're going to grate about a 1-inch chunk of cheese. Next, you're going to crack your 6 eggs into a bowl. Add half of a teaspoon of garlic powder and a splash of milk, probably about a tablespoon, and whip them together until smooth. So place one of your frozen pie shells on a cookie sheet and add your cubed ham. Next, you're going to add your onions and just make sure that's spread around, as well as your grated cheese. Next, you're going to pour on your eggs. Just be a little careful. The eggs do tend to kind of clump together. I want to go in the same areas and overflow. And then you just want to kind of spread out the mixture, making sure that the eggs are all mixed together and are covering all of your mixture there. You're then going to add this to your preheated oven and let it cook for 30 minutes. So when your quiche is done, the crust should be nice and toasted and the top nice and golden brown like this.
Alright, our quiche is all done. Whoa, smells so good. Time to try it. This is my favorite part. Making videos. So good. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't stop.